Have you ever thought about how much Tesla stock will be worth in 10 years? There is a lot of confidence among buyers that Tesla will continue to do well since the stock price has recently gone up. Listen and watch more to find out more about this. A lot of buyers are happy that the price of Tesla stock has been going up, though not by a lot. A small change is still a change, though. At this point, all buyers can hope for is that the company's stocks don't drop like they did in the past few months. The movie today shows how much Tesla is expected to cost each year until 2035. Musk and a group of other engineers started Tesla in 2003 with the goal of changing the car industry by making fully functional electric vehicles, or EVs. Many people think that Elon Musk started Tesla, but that's not true. Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, two engineers, started it. But Musk was a big part of Tesla's success because he put money into the company and helped it get money from private investors and venture capitalists. Elon Musk is in charge of Tesla right now, and the company is based in Austin, Texas. The company makes things in China, Germany, and the United States, in places like Texas, Nevada, California, and Buffalo. Most experts who study Tesla agree that you should buy its stock, and a lot of them think the price will go above $1,000. Experts have very different ideas, though, and the average price prediction is around $800. This is because some determined outsiders think the price will drop sharply to between $200 and $300. Koifin is a platform for researching stocks that provides financial data and analytics. It shows that Tesla has gained 12,745.7% over the last 10 years, while the Nasdaq US 100 index and the S&P 500 US 500 index have gained 373.5% and 190.7%, respectively, during the same time period. This means that the value of the company's shares has grown at a rate of 62.4% per year. This is a great gain, but there have been some problems along the way. In November 2021, Tesla stock hit an all-time high of $1,243 per share, its highest level since the split. However, the stock's value dropped sharply after that because investors became less willing to take risks because of the Federal Reserve's more hawkish actions. Investors should know that past performance is no guarantee of future performance. This means that they shouldn't use past price movement to make predictions about Tesla stock. New long-term predictions say that Tesla's price will reach $700 in the middle of 2022 and then $900 at the end of 2025. In 2027, Tesla will cost $1,000. Then it will cost $1,200 in 2028, $1,300 in 2029, $1,400 in 2031, $1,500 in 2032, and $1,600 in 2034. Tesla's prices began at $1,090 in 2022. Tesla was worth $275.61 at the end of August, 75% less than it was at the start of the year. We think the price of a Tesla will be $464 at the end of 2022, which is a 58% drop from the previous year. The rise from now until the end of the year is plus 68%. The Tesla will cost $565 in the first half of 2023. The price would go up by $4 in the second half and end the year at $569, which is 106% more than now. They say that if Tesla stock grows by 35% each year, it could hit $1,200 in 2022. That's what more than 30 analysts think the growth rate will be on average, but it's important to remember that not everyone agrees. One of the most pessimistic forecasts comes from JP Morgan's analysts, who say that the price will drop to $250 in December 2022. With the same 35% growth rate guess, Tesla would be worth about $1,600 by 2023. Some predictions are even more optimistic. They say that the price will grow by 70% every year, which means that it will reach $2,600 by the end of 2023. The price of Tesla stock is expected to be between $1,000 and $5,000 in the long run by most analysts. You should know that predictions beyond the next couple of years are more guesswork, but you can guess how big the market for electric cars is and set Tesla's price appropriately. RK Investment Management thought the price would reach $1,400 in 2024, but they have since said that this amount might be too low. A lot of estimates are based on the fact that Tesla thinks sales will grow by 50% every year. This will help the company keep raising the price of its shares by thousands of dollars. One price goal for Tesla in 2025 is $3,000. This is based on the idea that their part of the electric vehicle market will grow a lot over the next few years. Analysts at ARK thought the company could sell about 10 million cars by then, which is 20 times as many as it sold in 2020. Arcake Invest, which is run by Cathie Wood, however, showed an updated valuation model that puts the value of a Tesla share at $4,600 by 2026. This is different from its 2021 open-source Tesla model, which said the share would be worth $3,000 in 2025. They changed their position because of important changes, such as new assumptions and inputs for self-drive. Others think that there will be a big rise from 2024 to 2028. The price of Tesla would go up 122%, from $569 to $1,263. The price of a Tesla will start at $569 in 2024 and rise to $673 in the first half of the year. It will end the year at $758. That's 175% more than today. The most bullish guess is that Tesla shares will be worth about $45,000 by 2030, which is 50 times more than they were worth in 2021. In that case, the business would be worth $1.5 trillion. The price of a Tesla is expected to go up by 25%, from $1,263 to $1,582 between 2029 and 2033. At the beginning of 2029, Tesla will cost $1,263. It will then rise to $1,289 in the first half of the year and end the year at $1,316. It's up about 37% from today. So, investors should check out what Tesla's rivals are doing to see if their cars could finally take some of Tesla's market share. According to the Irvine, California-based vehicle valuation and automotive study company Kelley Blue Book, 75% of all electric cars sold in the U.S. in the first 3 months of 2022 were Teslas. However, Tesla also wants to be a big player in other places, like China and Europe, where it will have to fight with other big automakers. A third-party predicting service called Wallet Investor says that Tesla's stock will average $2,588.10 over the next 5 years, which is more than twice as much as it is now. GovCapital, another algorithm-based predicting service, says that Tesla stock will be worth $4,411.11 by early August 2027. Both estimates show that Tesla has a big chance to make a lot of money in the next 5 years. There are, however, many things that could happen during that time that could change the price. Electric car company Tesla's free cash flow has gone up from $221 million to $8.34 billion in the last 3 years. This means that there has been growth of 3,873.76%. Analysts think that Tesla's free cash flow will grow over the next year and hit $8.59 billion. Over the next 9 years, this would be a 2.96% rise. A lot of people think that Tesla's free cash flow will grow at a rate of 468.5%. But Tesla's sales have grown very quickly over the last 3 years, from $21.46 billion to $53.82 billion, which is a growth of 150.79%. Analysts think that sales will reach $67.49 billion next year, which is a 25.38% rise. It is expected that sales will rise by 449.92% over the next 9 years. In the meantime, Tesla's net income has grown over the last 3 years, going from $976 million to $5.52 billion, a 665.47% rise. Experts think that Tesla's net income will drop by 39.8% the following year, hitting $3.32 billion. In 9 years, experts think that net income will have grown by 252.14%. Keep in mind that forecasts made by analysts and computers can be wrong. They come from a study of the past prices of Tesla shares. The past doesn't always predict the future. It is recommended that traders do enough research on a company before deciding to trade, and they should never spend money that they can't afford to lose. Tesla stock prices are affected by many things, such as sales of electric cars, supply lines, the price of Bitcoin, competition, and Elon Musk, the company's controversial CEO. For more Tesla stock videos, check out our feed.